Imagine a world where everything you rely on, your phone, your car, your security, is powered by something smaller than a grain of rice, a tiny chip, barely visible to the eye, holds the power to change your life. Right now, two of the world's biggest nations, China and the US, are fighting for control of it. This isn't just about technology. It's about who controls the future. The real question is, who will hold the power to shape the world? Chips are more than just heart of your devices. They are the lifeline of nations. Without them, nothing works. No communication, no transportation, no defense. The US and China know this. They are not just battling for control over technology. They are battling for control over future of everything you know. And one island, Taiwan, stands at the center of it all. It's the prize, the battleground, and key to everything. Taiwan is world's leader in chip production. The company TSMC, based in Taiwan, makes the most advanced chips on the planet. Taiwan makes the chips that power everything, from smartphones to fighter jets. Without Taiwan, both China and the US would struggle to stay on top in the chip game. China wants Taiwan to become part of its empire. They see Taiwan as a key piece to their tech future. But US has a different view. The US is supporting Taiwan to keep China in check, especially when it comes to technology. The island of Taiwan has become the heart of the chip war. The chip war isn't just about phones or computers. It's about power and security. Chips are needed for everything, from making fast 5G networks to building smart military weapons. Whoever controls the best chips can lead the tech world and dominate in defense. The US is trying to stay ahead, but China is quickly catching up, investing billions in its own chip production. And while China and the US fight, other countries like India are working hard to catch up. India has huge plans to create its own chip industry, but it's still far behind. The global tech landscape is shifting, and it's no longer just about US and China. The chip war isn't just a business battle. It's about national security. Chips power everything, from the device we use daily to the weapons we rely on. If China gains control over Taiwan, it could change the balance of power. The US is doing everything it can to prevent this, not just for economic reasons, but to keep China from gaining too much power. So who is going to win this battle? The real question is, how does it affect you? Your phone, your car, your security. Everything is powered by the chip. And right now, two superpowers are fighting over it. The outcome of this war could change your world. The real war is about the chip. So, will you be on the winning side? But here is the twist. Who will be the real winners? And will we even know when the winner is crowned? Or will this war be fought in silence with no one really knowing who came out on top? If you want to know more, do not forget to subscribe. Because you think and we tell.